Hello semua, selamat kembali ke Slime Mikasa channel. So hari ni kita orang akan buat Merdeka Slime Restock. So akan ada 4 jenis Merdeka Slime yang korang boleh beli kalau korang berminat. Dan ada slime lain lagi yang sis restock. And ada banyak DIY clay slime. So yeah, let's get started. So first is this DIY clay slime kit. So you will get 2 4-ounce. Depending on the size that you buy, we have 2 sizes, 4-ounce and 6-ounce. So this one is 4-ounce, and you will get this really thick and glossy blue slime. And you will also get a clay scoop that you can unwrap it and insert it yourself and decorate it with a pack of star sprinkles that resemble our Malaysian flag. It's so cute. I love this slime so much. It's the #1 best slime in this restock. I love this slime so much, and it's so satisfying. Look at it. It's so satisfying to mix in. So yeah, enjoy the ASMR. Next is Perpaduan DIY clay slime. This is also a DIY slime kit. So you will get this dual colored TNG slime, thick and glossy slimes, which is half blue, half red. And then in another container you will get 2 of these clay pieces, the moon and the star. And you can unwrap it and assemble it yourself on top of the slime. It's so cute, but I'm sorry that it's not pretty in this one because I was rushing, but you will get a prettier version of it because I will use a mold. And then you just mix it together. It's so soft and the color is so cute. It's so satisfying. It looks like ice cream to me, like Peta Pop ice cream. Look at how the colors match. The mixing process is super satisfying, so enjoy the clips. Next is Patriotic Slime. It's a crunchy slime with bingsu beads inside, and it has 4 colors, which is the colors of the Malaysian flag. And you will get it will be topped off with yellow star sprinkles, and once it's mixed, it will be a muted, like nude purple color. It's so crunchy and it makes really bubbly sounds. So yes, enjoy the ASMR. Last but not least is Madoka Slime. This is a butter slime. It's super silly, soft, spreadable, and stretchy. And it is also inflating. I love to see the way the colors mix together. It's so pretty. If you guys know Unicorn Swirl Cream in my shop, it's a bestseller in my shop. So this is basically the same texture, just different colors and different toppings, which is this time we use the Merdeka themed star sprinkles. So I recommend this slime to slime beginners because it's easy to play with. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you guys like these slimes, Madoka theme slimes, and thanks for watching. Bye. I'll put my shop description in the description box below. Bye.